Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Essential oils like lavender and tea tree can irritate your cat's sensitive nose, causing sneezing. Cats have much more delicate respiratory systems than humans, so even small amounts in the air can trigger this reaction. Sneezing helps them clear out these irritants. To protect your cat, avoid strong scents indoors and keep the air well ventilated. Always choose pet-safe alternatives when adding fragrances at home.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.